All right, today we're going to talk about verb tenses. And a verb in a sentence, its job is to tell us when the action happened. There's three basic types of tenses. Present tense means it's happening now. Past tense means it already happened. Or future tense means it's going to happen in the future. But in fourth grade, we're going to learn about something called present progressive, past progressive, and future progressive, in addition to the normal ones that you've learned about already. So let's take a look at these. So present tense would be something like, I jog around the lake. So present tense means it's something that's happening now, or it could be something that's happening over and over. Present progressive tense shows an action that's in progress now. For example, instead of just I jog around the lake, I am jogging around the lake. Let's take a look at the next one. Past tense. An action has already happened. For example, she drove home. It's already taken place. But if I look at the past progressive tense, it shows an action that was in progress, but in the past. She was driving home. Do you hear the difference? She drove home. She was driving home. There's a difference in those tenses. And then the last one we're going to take a look at is the future tense and the future progressive. Future tense means that the action will happen. She will drive home. She will drive home. It's going to happen in the future. Or the future progressive is it's an action that will be in progress. She will be driving home. She will be driving home. That's our future tense and future progressive tense. So there's two things I want you to do now. This is a verb tense worksheet that you can complete. And then after you get done with that, I want you to play this Kahoot game that I found that was really fun with verb tenses. All right, have fun.